Welcome everybody, my name is Jody and this is Cornwall Car Care. So if you follow me on social media, you probably would have noticed that I haven't posted in a while. I took a break, so I pretty much took a month off work. I had some unit upgrades of which I wanted to complete and just take a little bit of time off. If you know me, you kind of know how I work, and it is literally flat out every day, don't stop. So yeah, it was just nice to be able to have pretty much a month off. I say I've still been here doing some work, which we'll go through maybe in this vlog, but maybe not. I will see later on, see how I feel. It's not 100% finished yet, and I'd rather wait until it's 100% finished, but we might go and have a little sneak peek a bit later on, so stay till the end. 2016 BMW 335d. Now this came in a year ago for a full ceramic coating. It's gone through quite a few changes since it came in. Wheels have been redone, roof's been wrapped, lights tinted, cob fibre bits added on, grills. There's just been a lot that's changed. So this is booked in for its yearly maintenance, which is going to have GYEON CanCoat Pro Evo for everything. And because he's changed the colour of the wheels, these are going to get ceramic coated as well. It's so good to be back. Really, really glad to be back. Refreshed. Hopefully come back bigger and better this time. I'm going to go and have some food. We'll pick up the camera again and we'll talk a bit more about my process of my yearly maintenance. Yeah, glad to be back. Yes. Okay, food in my belly. Let's talk a bit about what's involved in my yearly maintenance for the ceramic coated vehicles. So obviously this has been outside and been washed, chemically decontaminated. There was quite a bit of iron on it, but I was expecting more. But the owner does keep on top of this one, so regular washing will help keep that at bay. A lot of tar on it, so that needed to be done. There was a lot of tar. GYEON iron and GYEON tar, sorted those out. Brought inside, blown dry, so there's no water dripping down when I'm applying the coating. But yeah, we're going to go around with GYEON Prep and just give it a good, thorough wipe down. Then it's going to have GYEON CanCoat Pro Evo for the protection, and that's going to cover the paintwork, the trim, basically everything apart from the glass, which is going to have GYEON Quick View. So yeah, I'm going to get on and wipe the paintwork down. We'll run a bit of music and some footage of me doing some of the little bits. Yeah, so we'll come back a little bit later on. Oh, I don't know if you can see up here. There we go. All of this centre up on the roof, that used to be panel lights. And I never really used the centre that much. So as part of my unit upgrades, I've removed all the panels and put in spots. That has benefited so much for when I do the correction work, because before I had all these lights around the edge and I'd have to lean my head to one side of the bonnet or the other side to see that. So now that covers everything in the middle, which is going to make it so much easier. Don't know why I didn't do it at the beginning. We didn't really get a car in and say, oh, that's the best option. That was what we built. And after working in here for a couple of years, yeah, it was time to, I was missing that. And yeah, that's the perfect solution for fixing that problem. And it looks cool as well. Yeah, right, I am going to get on and wipe this paintwork down. Roll a bit of music and let's capture some footage of me doing some bits. Yeah. BMW completed. This was a nice job to kind of get me back into the detailing business. As I say, I've had some time off and it's so nice to be back with a fresh head and just, I'm knackered, I know that, and just doing what I love doing. I can't believe how well this looks for a year down the line. That gets used daily, by the way. This lives outside, it's not garaged. It gets used daily. And for a year, and it to still look like that, yeah, love it. So the owner, he looks after this really, really well. I do the decontamination washes and a little bit of interior work, but he has a really good wash routine. And yeah, this is why it still looks like this, because he puts the effort in throughout the year. Just looks insane. It does. It looks like it looks like it did when it rolled out of here last year. Well, it doesn't look like that because quite a lot's changed. I'll try and put a picture up here somewhere of what the vehicle looked like when it left. And then obviously you're going to see it now. But yeah, hopefully this is a bit of a quicker video. It's only like a one-day service with the added wheels. So it's a long day service. But before that, right, excuse out here, I'm going to show you a quick sneak peek. It's not finished. It's not finished yet. Let me turn it round. That's all you're getting. Once it's finished, I will do a post on it. But yeah, we said about the lights in the ceiling. So yeah, that wall, I'm still waiting for a few more bits to turn up, skirting board, cut the tiles in, and then I'll go up to it and we'll do a proper reveal. But yeah, just so happy that that's finished, almost finished. So let's wrap this up here because I've started babbling on. Woohoo! So 2016 BMW 335d yearly maintenance that has been GYEON. Let's run the masters!